presentation coming up. Now, I guess. Hello, everyone. I'm Jimmy Neutron, and this is my cybernetic canine, Connor. That's Carl over there, not touching anything. Welcome to my rocket lab, right here at Nicktoon Studios. Goddard, floor plan. This is where the Rugrats live. 0.27 clicks southeast of that is Arnold's neighborhood. And right here, precisely at sea level, is Bikini Bottom. And of course, my rocket lab, where we are right now. Finally, it's with great pleasure and pride that I present to you the Mark IV!
The room's looking really busy.
Along with the Mark IV is my Mark II and the original, slightly unpredictable Mark I.
What happened to the Mark III?
Don't ask. The Mark IV is a triumph in rocket engineering. It's the fastest, strongest rocket ever built. What's that, Jim? Fox, status report.
Intruder detected outside the rocket lab, Jimmy.
Security cam. Check the perimeter. All seems fine. Please, let me know if you see anything. If the Mark IV were to land in the wrong hands, maybe it's just a false alarm. Probably a bug in the security system.
Jimmy? Are you in? So, Jimmy Neutron, my old nemesis. We meet again. I hope nemesis means party.
Oh, what are you doing here?
You left this on my ship, Mr. Flopkins!
You came all this way to return Carl's beer.
My Neutron! Just wait till you see what we've got planned for you! We made a tape. Cool. Please, can I enslave you?
No.
Please.
No. No. Fine. Jimmy Neutron is the heir to powerful new rocket, Mark IV. Steve, bring it back here. We'll duplicate it, and then my egg armies will use it to enslave the Earth!
But enslaving the Earth was my idea!
Whatever. Just give me a ship!
Jimmy, you gotta stop him! Too late, Neutron! I claim this rocket in the name of the universe!
Carl, the remote!
Give me that! Or I'll hurt you. Okay?
Carl!
I couldn't help it, Jim. He used some kind of space alien mind meld on
Come on, Carl! We've got to stop Omar! We're the only ones who can save the Nicktoons and the planet!
me! Oh no, Jimmy. I don't think that's a good.
We'll take the Mark II, and you guys can follow in the Mark I.
But you said the Mark I is slightly unpredictable.
Well, it's not totally unpredictable. Besides, I'll pilot the Mark I by remote control. What could go wrong? I can fix that.
Last available seat inside of your rocket row. Let's try that one more time. Is everybody ready? Great, because we have received an all clear from flight tech, Jimmy. I think they're ready. We need you to raise those rockets up to flight level, please. Carl, start the countdown.
10. Let's not do this. 9. How about we go home? 8.
Time for the countdown! We got a blast! Come on,
Wow! Man, I'm glad I'm not in that thing.
okay, everybody, hang on!
if they don't, I get arrested.
You may have strangled my bumbling brother, Neutron, but you'll rue the day you scorned me! Now I have control, and you shall all suffer a fate beyond your worst nightmare! Dance! Dance the dance of a chicken!
Nice shot, Carl. Yeah, thanks, Jim. Check this out. Lava, lava,